Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile online without downloading it on your Android device. This method leverages cloud gaming technology, allowing you to stream the game directly. You'll save valuable storage space and avoid lengthy download times. To ensure a smooth experience, a stable internet connection of at least 5 megabits per second is highly recommended for optimal performance and minimal latency. To get started, you'll need to choose a suitable cloud gaming service. Popular options include platforms like NVIDIA GeForce Now, which offers a robust streaming experience, or even Google Play Instant for quick trials. It's crucial to compare their subscription plans and ensure they operate in your geographical region. Also, verify that your Android device meets their minimum system requirements for the best possible gameplay. Once you've selected your service, download its dedicated application from the Google Play Store. After installation, simply log in or create a new account. Some services might require you to link your existing PUBG Mobile account for progress synchronization. From there, you can launch PUBG Mobile directly within the cloud gaming app. You'll be playing in just a few moments, enjoying the full game without a massive download. Playing PUBG Mobile via cloud gaming offers significant advantages, primarily saving dozens of gigabytes of storage on your Android phone. You can enjoy high-fidelity graphics and fluid gameplay, provided you have a strong internet connection. However, remember that cloud gaming can consume a substantial amount of data, potentially several gigabytes per hour, and most services come with a monthly subscription fee. Weigh these factors for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.